What's up, gamers? I'm going to be showing you how to get back online on PlayStation 4, how to fix it. And this is how you fix the PlayStation Network error. All you have to do is what you do is you turn off your PS4, okay? And then I want you to go to the room where you have your you need another TV. And here, you're gonna need to go into that room. What you're gonna do is, okay, so we're in our room, and we're gonna look over here. Turn on the TV. Alright, so this, my friends, is how you fix the PlayStation Network error. What you do is, you go ahead and turn on your Xbox.